green and Nipan. Here, Dubai, you know, your friend said, Crown Prince. I say 55, 55 years ago. I say, only his siblings, they were 13.
Wow.
No more to one room with no electricity, no water.
Hey.
Yes.
55 Dubai.
Yes. Yes.
A lot of
Why can't we do it? Let us challenge ourselves as human beings.
Thinking has gone.
We'll be able to do it.
Yeah.
But young for no yen train you omu now you said that because ye pese ye ma omu look stupid so that we lord ourselves over them. And the yamma training enko from no. It's not helping this country. Because you see him like that. Say be a if he's giving proper training, you will see how contribute to the economy. Yeah. It is very, very important. We are not going to leave anybody behind. Let us carry everybody along. And even if you get 30% of the 100 people coming along, this country will move. And the white people cannot dictate to us all the time. Everything. When I saw the ambassadors are almost Jesus Christ. Yeah, I saw it. Our minister so because he's fighting for his country. Minister. All the ministers and more cabinet should support this minister and fight. Yes. The president should support him. The president has a problem with this GPHA because one of his boys and a n.p.p for lawyer. When the minister goes there to explain, then the lawyer also goes there to explain. This lawyer is explaining because he represents them and knows how much he's getting without thinking of the country. And Ghana first. I would defend my country to death. Nothing will change me. I'm proud of Ghana and Ghana first. Let us support these ministers. Why? Diplomats have taken over. They decide what you should do. All right, the brains that they gave them, they gave us too. We were in the same classroom with them. They were not extraordinary people. I'm telling you, Fordham University, they were not extraordinary people. What you say? But because, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I didn't Jimmy away. I want to say, yes, painful baby, you won't call them wherever. Yes, it's all quite sorry. No, who Brunia, what when you mean to say, coffee, Quasia. Asia, and then I told you, Timua, I'm a yeah. We cannot continue to do that. Let us take our destiny into our own hands. One of the leaders are maybe trusting power Ghana. Hey, a champon. Yeah, champon. Wale tualasa ni pa ba kwe oyazie tua yeni akasa ye be dot near didi.
He encouraged local participation in everything.
And you see, this is coming back to Papa no ka domestication and yes. Okay, domestication almost. What Akufo-Addo is doing has just refined that statement and policy and implemented
it. Package.
Domestication is very, very important. Very, very important.
In our education, economy, every facet of our life.
Now, education is the brofo natural. And you work in parliament. You are a country cry if he's out there. Go on, Kaga Gantua. That is the problem we have.
1 Kaga Gantua, 48 minutes gone.